In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Zoho projects. Recurring tasks are useful when you have work that repeats on a schedule, like weekly reports, monthly reviews, or routine maintenance. Setting up recurrence saves time and helps you stay consistent, because Zoho projects can automatically generate the task again based on the pattern you choose. To get started, look at the left sidebar in Zoho Projects and click Projects. From there, select the specific project where you want the recurring task to live. Make sure you are in the correct project before you continue, because recurrence will apply within that project. Next, go to the top navigation and click the Tasks tab. This takes you to the task list for the project, where you can create a new task or update an existing one. Now click the Add Task button to create a brand new task. If you already have a task created and you want to make that one recurring, you can click the existing task name instead. Either option works, as long as you can access the task details. Once the task is open, find the recurrence option in the task details or directly in the task row, depending on your view. Click Recurrence to open the recurrence settings. This is where you define how often the task should repeat, so it helps to have your schedule in mind before choosing an option. Select your repeat type. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Daily is best for habits or frequent checklists. Weekly works well for regular meetings or status updates. Monthly is ideal for billing tasks or monthly reporting. Yearly is a good fit for annual renewals or compliance items. After you choose the repeat type, set when the recurrence should stop. You can use end after if you want it to repeat a specific number of times, or end by if you want it to stop on a specific date. Once you have set your ending option, click Set Recurrence to confirm. At this point, your task is configured to repeat based on the schedule you selected. That covers everything you need to know.